How can I use car companies on my clothing brand without getting trademark, without infringing someone's trademark?
You probably can't.
Probably can't. That's a quick answer.
You probably
What else
can't.
we gotta
There is the the idea or the argument that if you're displaying a brand on a shirt, like my daughter came home the other day and she's wearing this Ford Bronco t-shirt. Now I don't know where my wife got that for her, but she's wearing this Ford Bronco shirt. So I'm thinking, like, I had this question myself. I was like, did they license the the name Ford Bronco from Ford, or do
the
they just
t-shirt manufacturer, right?
t-shirt manufacturer, or do they just like make this like Ford Bronco t-shirt with some like retro kind of vibes on it and just assume that it's okay? And I my answer would be like, you need that's Ford's right and ability to manufacture their own t-shirts and promotional materials and things like that, and we can't do that. But if they're not using it in, so like for example, like I'm wearing a sweatshirt here, I got the logo in the upper left breast pocket area, that's trademark use. If you're just splashing that logo all over the front of the chest of the shirt or on the back, the government doesn't say that that's trademark use. That's ornamentation. That's decoration. In which case, it wouldn't be a violation of trademark rights. It might be, a violation of other intellectual property rights. Like if you're using the logo, that could potentially be a different type of trademark infringement or copyright infringement, or the likeness of the vehicle potentially could all be copyright violations. But yeah, I mean, I guess it depends, but I would assume that no, you can't be using anyone's brand on your apparel.
Yeah, cool.
Because it creates this impression that your sponsor is somehow affiliated with Ford.
If you're going to be basically selling this as a hobby or real small time, just selling a few of these, you're likely not going to get a cease and desist letter.
No.
If you come up with a really unique, cool, fun design, you push the marketing like crazy, and you start selling it, that's when you're going to get the cease and desist, and that's where
once there's something worth going after, then you're going to get the cease and desist.
Yeah, so it's really not a smart idea.